Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Now, as you know, we were doing the topic adjectives, right? And in the previous video, I had explained you about the three kinds of adjectives, that is, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. And we had also discussed the worksheet. Now, today also, we are going to continue the topic of adjectives, and we will be doing the next worksheet. Okay, so now today also we are going to learn one kind of adjective. Okay, so do you know which kind of adjective we are going to learn today? So let's see in the worksheet that which kind of adjective we are going to study today. So let's learn the new topic. Okay, students, we are doing the seventh poem and we are doing the fourth part. That means we are doing the fourth video of the poem. Now let's see the grammar topic. Okay, students, so yesterday we were doing in the previous video we were doing the topic of adjectives, right? And we had done last time worksheet 7.5. So today we are going to continue with the topic of adjectives, and today we are going to do worksheet 7.6. Okay, now in the previous video we learned the three types of adjectives, that is adjectives of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. And you all know these three kinds of adjectives very well, right? So now we will continue with the next type of adjectives. Okay, read these sentences. My umbrella is blue. Their house is in the next lane. In these sentences, the highlighted words are adjectives that are used with nouns to show possession. Adjectives that show possession are called possessive adjectives. Okay, now you can see the highlighted word over here is my, and over here the highlighted word is their. So now these words, they are showing possession. Like the noun is umbrella. So whose umbrella? It is my umbrella. Their house. Whose house? Their house. So it is showing whose that thing is. Okay, this type of adjectives, it shows the possession, it shows whose that thing is. This is my umbrella, this is their house. So such type of adjectives are called possessive adjectives. Can you see? It shows you the possession, it shows you whose that thing is. Okay, it tells you about the noun and it tells you the possession of the noun, means it tells you whose that thing is. So such type of words are called possessive adjectives. Now when we do the examples, you will get a clear idea. Okay, her, his, its, and our are some example of possessive adjectives. Okay, so possessive adjectives means these are the examples: her, his, its, and our. Now here see the exercise. Underline the possessive adjectives in these sentences. Her brother lives in England. So here the noun is brother. So what is the adjective? Her. So it is telling us whose brother lives in England? Her brother. So her is the possessive adjective. Understood? My pencil box is new. My pencil box is new. Here the noun is pencil box. Whose pencil box it is? It is my pencil box. So my is a possessive adjective. Understood? So very simple. So this you can easily do on your own. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do it for your homework. Understood, students? So the words, the adjectives that shows you whose thing that is, they are called possessive adjectives. Understood? Now see the next exercise. Read these short paragraphs and fill in the blanks with the correct possessive adjectives. Now there are paragraphs given. Okay, this is the first paragraph. On the next page you can see second, third, fourth, fifth. For 5 paragraphs are given. Okay, and you have to fill in the correct adjectives. Now I will show you how to do it. Okay, number 1. Reena is in class 3. Dash mother is an English teacher. So you all know what will come. Her. You have to fill the possessive adjectives. So her mother. Whose mother? Her mother. So her mother is an English teacher. and dash father is a dentist. Here also what will come? Her. When it is a girl, you have to use the possessive adjective her. He always tells Reena to take care of dash teeth. So he always tells Reena to take care of her teeth. Reena makes sure that she brushes dash teeth twice daily. So she brushes her teeth twice daily. Isn't it? It's very easy. So you must be careful about whom you are talking. We are talking about Reena. So we have to use her. We have to use her. Understood? Now second one also I will make you do. Then the remaining you can do it for homework. On the next page, number 2. Gopi and Geeta are twins. Now we are talking about two children, that is Gopi and Geeta. So you cannot use her or his because there are two. So whenever there are two or more than two, we have to use they or their. Okay, they or their. Gopi and Geeta are twins. Dash parents are from a small village in Uttar Pradesh. So I told you, when there are two persons, you have to use their or two or more than two. Their parents are from a small village in Uttar Pradesh. Dash parents want them to do well and go to college. So here also what will come? Their parents want them to do well and go to college. Gopi likes maths and spends dash free time doing calculations. Now here we are talking about Gopi. So Gopi is also a girl. So Gopi likes maths and she spends her free time doing calculation. Geeta likes reading and solving puzzle. She spends dash free time. So here also her will come. Here we are talking about only one, that is Geeta and Gopi. So her will come. She spends her free time solving jigsaw puzzles. Dash parents are very proud of them. So here again we are talking about both of them. So we will write their. Their parents are very proud of them. Okay. So understood how to do it? So first you must see about what are you talking, and then accordingly you must write the answers. 3, 4, 5 you can do it for homework. Okay. So we have finished worksheet 7.6. Okay students, we have completed this page. Now this is the end of our topic adjectives. There were two worksheets, 7.5 and 7.6. Okay students. Okay students, so I hope you have understood the topic of adjectives. So we have completed the last grammar topic and we have also discussed both the worksheets related to adjectives. And please do the exercises that I have given you for homework, and then you will get a clear idea. Okay students. So thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.